Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the City of Tears. To begin your journey, you'll need to access the city from the fungal wastes. A crucial step is to first defeat the Mantis Lords, which will open up a necessary path. Look for the main entrance located near the Queen's Station, a key landmark in the area. This will set you on the right track. Once you're in the fungal wastes, your next step is to navigate through this unique area. Keep an eye out for a distinct path that leads downwards, guiding you deeper into the region. The entrance to the City of Tears is situated just past the Mantis village, so make sure you've explored that section thoroughly. This route is essential for progression. Upon reaching the correct area, you'll find the main entrance to the City of Tears prominently on the left side. This grand entrance is typically guarded by a large, imposing gate signifying your arrival. For convenient travel, a stag station is located very close by, allowing for quick returns or departures. This makes accessing the city much easier. Once you step inside, prepare to explore the vast and atmospheric City of Tears. This expansive area is known for its constant rain and holds many important characters and deep secrets waiting to be uncovered. Be ready for challenging enemies and intricate platforming as you delve into its depths. It's a truly memorable part of your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.